Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is an 18 by 24 inch canvas, and I have primed it, and it's dry with Artist Loft, and I want black shapes before I do anything color-wise in the background, although I could put some colors down and then do the black afterwards. I hadn't thought about that until now. Okay, I'm just going to do it. It'll either work or it won't, and I'll do something else with it, or I'll keep painting until I turn it into a black background. But this works way more often than not. So maybe we should just play. Maybe with a clean spatula. I've got some copper, and I'm kind of thinking I might want to bring that into this. I like the way the black mixes while it's wet with the gold. And I'm always looking for freedom, and I'm never getting quite all the way there. So before I do silver, I'm thinking of taking the white metallic and it's not impossible that I could do some mark making. Freestyle craziness. This is basically just a background for something. I'm not sure what yet. And I wish I'd searched out my copper beforehand. I kind of want some more gold, but I think the copper is going to have to do. What have I got? It's burnished copper, which I'm hoping is open. I also hope I like this color. I could use the Aztec Bronze. And I've got Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. I'll try this first. It dries better than it looks when it starts out of the bottle. Kind of like it though. I could still do the Aztec Nickel, Aztec Bronze. I could do the Azo Gold too. This is by Golden. Oh yeah, now that's good. I like that a lot. It's nice, I know I get to keep it. Maybe I should grab a small brush. There we go. Why am I hearing the call to blue? I've got some Egyptian blue. I like taking paint away while it's still wet and using it in other places. I better decide pretty quick to do mark making if I'm going to do it though. I like that. That's cool. It's not going to work too many places because I'm already getting dry. Of course I could put some more white down, and I could let it dry and put some more white down and scrape through. I actually really like this. So I'm going to take, before I run out of time, add a few elements. Oh, that's nice. I wasn't expecting that one to work. Or that one, to be honest with you. Oh, I like that. These are Wilton cake decorating tools. I think this might be really quick. Alright, other than a few dots, which I'm thinking of adding, maybe all three colors, I don't know yet. This is just to die for. At least in my opinion, I love it. I love you guys, you inspire the heck out of me. I'm going to take my nail art tool. Add a couple more things. Wherever they happen to inspire me to go. Alright, I'm going to call it good. Right after I wipe off my brush. Throw it in the bucket. suppose I might as well shimmer this at you. It does shimmer. You know what? I didn't put any black in there. I kind of want some. Black dots before I run out of time. I love the texture of everything. Alright, let me try and shimmer this at you again. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.